Welcome to Living with Grandpa John. I got a slideshow of one of my trips to the Polynesian Cultural Center in Hawaii on the island of Oahu. We went there. This has been my third time there. Every time I've been there, I've had fun. Well, there is a patch of taro roots, and this was I don't remember what kind of fruit it was, but it just stunk. And it's funny watching us trying to, walk around, and they deliberately put it where we would have to smell it. Now, this is when we were going down, and they have a parade of. There's 7 main island groups in this Polynesian, Hawaii being one of the groups. I don't know all of them. There's Tahiti, there's Samoa, there's Tonga, there's Fiji, and a couple other ones. But it was a real fun Now here I am. They talked me to go up there, of course, because they can take pictures of it and charge us extra money. But it was fun going up there and playing on the drums, and of course get to make fools of myself. Now here we are going over where they're talking about the importance of the hula and showing the women and men, how they do the hula. And I could not convince Ivy to go up there and dance. Here we're at where they have the women and the men separated, and they showed some of the things they did for the women who are the warriors who actually fought alongside their men. Now here we are with some coordination stuff.
1, 2, 3, toss. 1, 2, 3, toss. 1, 2, 3,
I think I'm doing it. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, toss. 1, 2, 3, toss. Okay, we're going to take our left hand, our left stick. Same thing, straight out ahead. Okay, so that's our warm-up for today.
Now here they're having a meeting and how you would meet some of the people. This is mostly like Fiji and those types. Now here we're having the traditional luau type dinner. And of course she's dancing and explaining different things to us. Now, the luau in itself was not really, it was very bland. They made it for people like in their 70s and 80s and stuff. It had very little salt, not much flavor. But overall, it has a very enjoyable trip. Of course, here I am with the photos that they took of me making a fool of myself. Well, thank you very much. We'll talk to you later.